In a previous video, I showed you how you can take a shampoo bottle and turn it into a vase. And since it's plastic, you can hold water. But in this video, I'll show you what you can do with the top of the shampoo bottle. I saw an amazing craft. A crafter used a plastic bottle and cut it out to make a snow globe. And I'll link the video in the description. So what I did was I took this hand sanitizer bottle, took off the front, cut it to shape over the shampoo bottle, and you can see that this is where it was. And let me just pause this and I'll show you what I did with it. I put the clear plastic over a little seam with some greenery and a flower. There's a little pearl, and then there's a marble in the back. I'll show you how you can also add the light. So over here, you'll see there's a little pearl in there. That's sort of, let me zoom in a little bit. You see that pearl? That's, excuse me, a marble, the little marble. There's a pearl at the bottom, but there's a little marble. So all you would have to do in order to create something similar is take flowers, some artificial leaves. I put some grass in there, so you'll see that. And I hot glued it because it was easier for me. And then what I did was I put that cover over it so that you can protect your little scene that you created. And then on the outside, I put some glue with this pearl ribbon. And I'll just show you how that looks. And that's it. So I wanted just to tell you one other quick thing about these projects and why I consider some crafts amazing crafts, because it gives me the idea. I never would have thought of using any sort of bottle as a covering for anything. And this craft was such an amazing craft that she was able to make the plastic bottle and cardboard look like a snow globe. So I just wanted to tell you how I got this idea. Thank you for watching.